Here in front of me is the new Iwata Series 2 base, the non-digital version. Iwata has recently made some changes to what you get inside the packaging, so I'd like to show you what those are. You will notice the outer sleeve is now displaying the information for the FFS cup system. This is Iwata's version of the disposable cup system. They no longer come with the aluminum cups that they used to. Inside the cover, you will first see the quick start guide. This has everything from cleaning tips, maintenance practices, how to adjust your pressure, and a downloadable owner's manual. Underneath the foam protective covering is the spray gun itself. This is a non-digital version, so you will not find the pressure gauge on the handle. The second item on top is the FFS adapter. Just mount it on top of the spray gun and you're all set. The WS models with the blue caps are better for wet-on-wet applications and higher pressures. Underneath the rest of the box's packaging are the rest of the contents. The first thing I noticed is the pressure regulator. Iwata provides one for the bottom of the spray gun since there isn't one on the handle. It has a good quality feel and a glass style cover and should work nicely. The next items are the FFS kit parts. These consist of about 5 pieces with one hard cup with graduated mixing scales. Just add one liner and place it inside the hard cup. Add your paint and then snap on the lid with the micron screen inside. Make sure it has a good seal all around. Then just screw on the hard collar to lock everything into place. If you do need to store the paint that doesn't have any hardener in it, just pop on the lid cover and store it upside down. If there's still enough paint inside to keep the screen wet, it can be used later when you're ready by storing it. One more pack of goodies is the pack of maintenance tools. Inside you will find some spray gun lube, a couple of cleaning brushes, a disassembly wrench, and a little torque bit. This little wrench is for removing the trim covers on the spray gun for deeper cleaning. There's a tiny screw in the middle of the air caps that you need to remove. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new spray gun. Get them here and the liners at SprayGunner.com. Also would like to mention they now offer a QR code if you ever needed a compliance or conformity letter.